sure that you're on version 16.1 or older if you want to try this out. First of all, open Content Aware Fill panel from Window menu. You can put the panel anywhere you want. Let's create a new composition with our footage. Right there we want to delete the object. Looks like round candle or some shit. Zoom and start demasking. This is not a steady shot, so we should create a keyframe to the mask path for tracking the mask. Looks good. Don't forget to subtract the mask before run the thing, otherwise it will not work. Because we want to subtract it from the scene, we are going to use Object Fill method because this is moving shot. Click Generate Fill Layer and wait a few seconds, depends your PC speed. Render is done and we're gonna check what we did. That's looked pretty good. Now we'll try surface mode and see the difference. Alright, we've got beach footage here and I wanted to clean some black areas because why not? Catch that we're using surface mode this time cause it's a steady shot. Boom! Gone! By the way, you don't need to try hard to make the mask good every time. For this shot, just a rectangle enough. Perfect! Now we're gonna delete a clock from a clock tour. Don't ask me why.